I'm not taking a picture. But come downstairs. I think the Easter Bunny came. Do you want to go see? Did he leave you something?
Yeah.
What did he leave you?
A lot of stuff.
Wow.
He got me a rabbit.
Don't put it on the floor.
Power Rangers. Power Rangers.
Wait, are those the Power Rangers you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Wow. Are you happy?
And he bought me a book. Rabbit book.
Do you want to bring it inside? You want to bring the bag inside?
And he got me this. He got me another chocolate.
Wow.
Chocolate.
Another chocolate?
Chocolate rabbit.
But what's that right there? What's that right there?
Chocolate. He gave me chocolate. Yay! Now,
Look at the camera.
yay! Now I got 2 soccer balls.
You didn't even have one. Look at the camera. Look.